Hi everyone. So this is my Sew Sampler unboxing for the month of February. Excuse the banging that's going on outside. I'm getting my roof redone. So they're doing the carpentry work on a Saturday. So happy Saturday. This is the first time I'm doing an unboxing of a Sew Sampler. I think I've gotten maybe 5 or 6 so far, and I have not been I've been happy with every single one. I have, not been not happy. Double negative. So anyway, here we go. This is the first time I'm opening it with you. So let's see. It says Home Sweet Cottage. I'm very new to ordering Moda fabrics, so I don't know as much as some other people. And it says triangles on a roll. Okay, so here's Home Sweet Cottage, and this is February 2018, and it usually says what all is in here. Okay, so let's go through this. New book release. I love books, so I would like that. And this is the 2017 Basket Sew Sampler quilt, and this is the design for this month. Handmade sticker. And here's that triangles on a roll. 2-inch finished block half square triangles. I love making half square triangles because they just fit any kind of like edgings or anything. And here is Mama's Cottage. It says by April Rosenthal of Prairie Grass Patterns for Moda. Has a cute little ruler, 5-inch squares, and there's 42 of them. It's super pretty. I love the colors. And yeah, I love it. I love fabric. So 5-inch squares. I might just use these and make a quick quilt. Don't even have to cut anything up. And here's the same thing. We get 2 of them. So double. That's awesome. And then here is the Aurifil thread, which I can always use, and this looks like it's the color, I don't know, it doesn't say. I'm not sure what the color is, but it's a nice light color, which I like to use for piecing. And here is a little ruler, which I'm sure, I like to watch him on the YouTube, on Fat Quarter Shop's YouTube, and he's so clever. So I'm glad I can use this. Mini simple folded corners. So I'm excited to try that. And here's the Life's a Picnic. So I guess we can use those. Looks like I can use the ruler with it. So super cute. And the 2 charm packs. I guess that's what it's called, charm packs. Again, I'm not very familiar. But I love it. I'm loving this month. I'll put in the description box where you can pick this up and how much everything cost retail and what the savings is. I believe I pay $19.99, but with shipping it comes out to maybe $25 or $26. But it's a great deal for all of these, and it's fun to get in the mail every month. Okay, thanks. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Bye.